Alright, so you need to open a new bank account. Maybe you've just moved, or you're looking for a new deal, and the idea of going into a branch or navigating a complex website just feels like a hassle. You're thinking, can't I just do this over the phone? It's a great question, and specifically, a lot of people wonder about Lloyds Bank. So, let's get straight to it. Can you open a Lloyds Bank account over the phone? The short answer is no, not entirely. But that doesn't mean you can't start the process that way, or get a ton of help on the phone. Here's how it actually works. Lloyds Bank, like most major banks, has a number of steps they have to follow to verify your identity and protect your information. They're not going to take all your personal details, like your full name, address, and date of birth, just from a phone call without some form of secure verification. This is for your safety. So, the process typically starts online. You'll go to the Lloyds Bank website and fill out their application form. It's pretty straightforward. You'll need things like a form of ID, proof of address, and some details about your income. Now, this is where the phone comes in handy. If you get stuck, have a question, or need a bit of guidance, you can absolutely call their customer service line. They can walk you through the application, explain what documents you need, and help you troubleshoot any issues you're having. Think of them as a personal guide for the online application. You can also use the phone to book an in-person appointment at a branch. For some people, especially those who prefer face-to-face interaction, this is the best way to go. You can bring all your documents with you, and a banker will help you complete the application right there and then. The key takeaway is this: the phone is a powerful tool for support and assistance, but it's not the primary way to initiate the entire account opening process from start to finish. The official application happens either online or in a branch. This multi-channel approach is designed for security and convenience. So, if you're ready to open that account, don't just pick up the phone and expect to do it all right there. Start by visiting the Lloyds Bank website and have their number handy in case you need to call for a helping hand. It's the most efficient and secure way to get your new account up and running. Thanks for watching.